this video, I'm going to teach you on how to get your old guest account back in FC Mobile. Let's start this by opening the FC Mobile app, and then once you're in the main lobby of the game, then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to open settings. Next, select Help Manual option at the top button beside it. Now, it will redirect you to another window. In here, scroll down to see All Help Topics and tap it. Next, tap All Categories and then select Manage My Account. Scroll the list and look for the option I want to recover my deleted account, then tap it. Select Read Article right here. Next, tap on Restoring Accounts. In here, tap on the highlighted text under the Restoring Deleted Accounts. It will redirect you to another page. The next, select Reset Your Password. Next, tap on Click this link to reset your EA password. Now, in the password recovery page, enter your email address or EA ID and then enter the verification code or the CAPTCHA. Tap Next below and then complete the reset password procedure to recover your account. That's basically how you do it.